Hey everyone, welcome back. I just did my first successful pick and gut of the American 1100 using the followers and pinning tray that was provided to me by Lady Locks and made by eShelts. So I figured I'd try to give this Masterlock Deadbolt that Left Hand Loki gave to me, that he did the security upgrade on. So I'm going to use the same 50,000th bent pry bar and the short flat hook from the Genesis set, and we're going to see what we can do with this. Pin 1, nothing. A little click on 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, another click on 4. I might have overset something. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I overset. 1, we're a little movement on the core. 2, 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. If I'm overset. Oh, okay, let's start from the back. Things really binding. Well, this opened right up when I did it in practice. The camera curse again. I did take the C-clip off the back of it to make that easier for gutting. That could be part of it. Let's try this again. Light tension. Do a little heavier tension. 1. Pin 2, we got a click. Pin 5, we got a click. Pin 1, now we're in a false set. Pin 2, counter rotation. And we are open. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Just had to give it a little bit more tension. So we'll take this out of the vise. Keep it all in frame here. And I don't have any shims, so I cut a piece of a can and I did test to see if it would fit, and it does fit. I might have made it a little bit too narrow, but we're gonna give it a shot. And I don't know what the inside of this core looks like. I don't know if it's a split core. I mean, you know, the grooves. We just needed to cover that gap, so hopefully Hopefully that'll be enough. I hope that'll be enough. I guess we're gonna find out. This might go bad. So I think this will be about this size. Uh-oh. Okay, thankfully that was enough. That could have been bad. We'll take that out for now. Set that there. This is still all in frame, right? You can't really tell. Okay. So, they all needed to be picked quite a bit. I don't know if you can see that there. So pin 1, I'll turn these all around after I dump them. Pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. Okay, we'll set that there. Make sure all of these are in the right orientation. That one's kind of hard to tell. It almost looks rounded on both sides. I'm assuming it was this way. It's the slightly more rounded end. Okay. Now we'll start with pin 1. Well, pin 1 is a double serrated driver pin. Pin 2 is a very nice looking spool. Pin 3 is another serrated. I think that one's actually a double serrated. So let's go to the back now. And pin 5 is a standard. And pin 4 is another one of those spools. So, let's see if we can't get you a slightly closer look. Again, I don't know how this camera is going to work, but looks like pin 1 we have a double serration on the driver pin. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is a slightly different, maybe a triple serration. Pin 4 is another one of those spools, just a little shorter, and pin 5 is a standard. So that's all we have for this one from Left Hand Loki. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next one.